So optimization technique says whatever the processes we require, we should use the same process to be implemented. So unloading, the first process we are unloading. Deconsolidation we don't want, so here we want quality inspection QIS, okay, or we can copy this in the custom, okay, we can create YIS, quality inspection name could be like similar, which would be very easy to be understood. Then we have the IB03 final put away. So process oriented storage control, first process, then second process IB0, here we have the QIS process, IB01 process, final put away. Suppose 93% are tested and okay, then we place the goods to the, for an example, hierarchy storage types. Third process IB03 final put away. Rejection, then also because we are going to place the goods, right? So IB03 same process. So POSC, because we are going through one specific process in our warehouse. So thank you very much guys. This is about the some of the demo, some of the process, and if you're looking for real-time end-to-end configurations, steps, enhancements with the technical process, with the functionally full end-to-end implementation, with the theory, with the screenshots, you may get back to me, or you may refer also my books, okay, specialization books which help you a lot. So these are the process, and today I want to give the one of the gift to my viewers, which I want to show you. So I have written one book which is the enhancements made easy, okay. So this is the practical enhancements made easy step by step. You may get back to me via social media, you may reach to me this enhancement technique book, okay, step by step book made easy. So this is the core book to work with any kind of advanced or basic enhancements in the SAP systems. And these books I will give the totally free of cost to my viewer and subscribers, or to the students. And thank you very much guys. See you once again, okay. If you have any doubt here, you may reach to me via social media platform, okay, and I will, as per the time availability, I will try to help you. Thank you very much guys. See you.